basic repairs. If they're avoided, they can cost you a lot. But if you get to them quickly, they're usually pretty simple and pretty inexpensive. Back here at the 3 unit, and when I was here last time, I noticed that that bracket broke, and that one's doing fine. So I bought some new brackets, came to change these things out to re-secure this thing and make it safe again. I got a feeling these are going to be stripped. All right, well, that stinks. So now I need to come back and cut these things off because it don't work. I don't even know how that thing's attached, but well, that's not gonna work. Well, I guess I gotta come back again with more tools next time. Because I gotta cut these screws off, figure out how to get this bottom plate off. But while we're here, let's check our new ones to see if they will fit. Yep, that'll fit. And if I can get under here maybe, it'll just go right in. No, that'll look like hell. Well, that stinks. Time to put these toys away and go tackle the next project inside. And it broke my bit. Let's take a look, put these things away, and see if I have everything else to fix the issue inside. But yeah, this is my work truck. Let's go fix repair number 2. Repair number 2. Plumbing, my favorite. So this thing isn't working. Every time you flush, it just stays down and just doesn't kick on here. So I gotta try to drain the rest of the water out of here so I don't make such a mess on the floor and replace that piece. First we gotta undo the water line. Hopefully I got enough water out of there that doesn't make a big mess. And the bracket that holds that part on. Pop that out, and this should pop right out. All right, that's out. Let's put our new one in. And try to clean that area up a little bit. We don't have any leaks. We got our new part and the nut that holds it on. All right, that's nice and tight. Putting a little heat to it would probably help too, but fingers crossed. Feeling like it's supposed to. I had to use this rag because I forgot a cup to squeegee every little bit of water out of there that I could. It's been about 2 minutes now. That shut off. Checking down below on our fancy machine here. Everything looks good. See if she flushes. That didn't work. Let's try this again. All right, so we got it to flush. You just have to hold that flapper down the entire time. It's an older toilet and I had to take that brick out of there. So everything works. This one's good to go, but I do need to plan on replacing this toilet probably in the next 6 months. But we'll see.